It is February the 3rd, 2021. I'm Andy, and you're aboard the Minorcan Mullet for the daily report from the Golden Ray wreck site. And we got out to the wreck site today, and no cutting was going on. And then we looked and we saw that the chain was missing from the offshore block. So what we guess here is they've broken the chain, and it is either in the ship or at the bottom of the ship. And I'm sure that they're working on trying to get this put back together. But as we get into the close-up shots here, you can see just that strap that we've seen and the clevis and no chain. We did notice that when we got around to the other side of the ship, it looked like there were personnel on top of the ship working in that area where we would expected to have seen that chain. We don't know if those guys were just inspecting the cut or whether they were actively involved with the repair of the broken chain. But this is certainly another setback for the salvage crews as they work to get this put back together and resume cutting. And we had about 9 days on the second cut, and it looks like that's going to not happen this time. And we kind of expected that a little bit with knowing that chain was cutting just forward of that main engine and probably cutting through some of the support structure for that engine, and knew that it was probably going to be a little bit tougher go. Yesterday when we saw them cutting on it, it looked like they were really cutting aggressively with it, and maybe it got pushed a little bit too hard. It could have been just a weak leak in the chain. We're not sure. We don't even know what the longevity is on the chain, and if they're having to try to change the chain out during the cutting process. We're unaware of that. We haven't seen that taking place, but we're certainly not counting it out. But it is a little bit of a setback to go out and see them not cutting. So we will keep monitoring, and we will hopefully see this repair taken care of in short order, and hopefully see the VB 10,000 resume cutting operations on the Golden Ray tomorrow. We'll certainly be looking to see if that is the case. And just in that shot right there, you might have been able to see those personnel up on top of the chain. All right, well, we're going to leave today with some shots. We've shown you St.simons and a little bit of Jekyll, but we decided to go down the ocean side. This is off the north end of Jekyll Island. Just get some of the sights here from Jekyll and bring that to you guys so you can kind of understand what this end of Jekyll Island looks like. Of course, this would be the part of Jekyll that is closest to the wreck site. We hope you enjoy this. We'd like to thank everyone for the support we've gotten so far. We would ask that if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We always enjoy getting the comments, and most of all, we want you guys to stay safe out there.